Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XDC. So I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XDC. I'm going to start with this. You look at the price of XDC right now and you're like, wow, I can't believe it's still sitting under 3 cents. This is an easy 100x cryptocurrency from where it sits right now. And a lot of people in the near future are going to regret not buying XDC. They overlook it because the price is low, or they overlook it because the price isn't moving. That goes for most of the ISO coins right now. But a year or two from now, people are going to have a lot of regrets. People holding XDC, the only regret they're going to have is that they didn't buy more of it. XDC is the ultimate foundation for digitized gold. XDC acts as a base layer protocol, ultimate dependable asset like gold for tokenized instruments deployed on XDC. Just like central banks, mint currency, stake tokenization projects will have to depend on stability assets. I feel that everything is going to back to the gold standard. The whole world is going to it. You see central banks buying up a ton of gold right now. China wants to back their digital currency with gold. Russia has already backed their digital currency by palladium. At some point, these digital currencies will be backed by something. They'll be at a higher stable value. Now, this is Cheat Sheet 2.0. And I always tell you, you should diversify in crypto. You shouldn't just buy one cryptocurrency. Buy a little bit of all of these ISO coins. It's going to give you more options in the future. A lot of people focus on the X coins. They buy XLM, XRP, XDC. Other people like to buy ALBT, Algorand, IOTA. Whatever the case may be, though, it opens up options for you. That's why diversification is always important. Impel roadmaps and milestones. Now, we see what has happened over the past few quarters of this year during a bear market. So we see quarter two, Impel launched next gen alternative to Swift, SEPA on the XDC network. Quarter three, Impel adds Bitcoin to ISO 222 financial messaging on XDC network. Impel and Globiance announced strategic partnership. Quarter 4, Impel brings Fluent's federated US Plus stablecoin to the XDC network. So slowly behind the scenes during a bear market, XDC's network continues to grow and expand. But yet the price doesn't move, and that worries a lot of people. But I feel at some point we're going to see the true value of XDC. That's when a lot of people are going to realize what they were overlooking all along. Then there's this. Now, this is what I talked about a little bit a few minutes ago. This is where these digital assets are backed by some sort of precious metal. For XRP, it would be gold. For Stellar, silver. For XDC, it would be copper. But I don't think copper is good enough for XDC. The world's trade is a lot of money. If that money has to be transferring using XDC, XDC has to be at a high stable value. You can't have it fluctuating on a daily basis. The world would never use it. Think about it. Say Russia wants to send money to China from one CBDC to China's CBDC. In between, you have XDC. It's a trade payment. Well, they're not going to, if the price is down on Monday, they're not going to want to send the payment then. They're going to want to wait till the price of XDC goes up and then make the payment. That's why I said it has to be at a high stable value. I feel all of these ISO coins have to be stable in the future. March 2023 ISO 222 migration will be definitive, says Swift. Now, once ISO goes live, I think that's when we're really going to get the first look at where these cryptocurrencies are going in the future. And I believe a lot of things have to happen before ISO goes live. I think that Ripple SEC lawsuit has to end. If Ripple wins that, all these ISO coins are absolutely going to take off in price. On top of that, you have Flare going live. That's going to be very big as well. It's going to add value to XDC. We'll talk about that in a minute. But that's when we're going to get the first good look at what's going to happen in the future, year over year, at once ISO goes live. The team at Flare Finance recently met with Xinfin official to discuss the next steps in the launching of the Songbird Flare to XDC bridge. Now, I feel a massive network is getting built from the ground up. You could see it. This crypto partnered with this crypto, bridged to this crypto, a massive network. And we're so early that we get to watch the network get built literally from the ground up. And I still believe once Flare goes live, it's going to add value to certain ISO coins. XDC will be one of them. Banks and institutions will run on connected blockchain networks that have utility, such as XDC, as well as XRP. These are X coins, ISO 222 compliant. And like I said, we're so early, the banks haven't got here yet. The institutional money hasn't got here yet. Wait till that happens. That's when you literally will be too late to buy these cryptos. Status, EURS now live on XDC network. DMCC authority digitizes gold. Trading through tokenization of Comtech official. Gold bullion backed by DMCC's trade flow platform. US Plus stablecoin. Integration goes live with the XDC network. So it's non-stop building in the background. But I do get it. The price, when it doesn't move, it gets frustrating. And a lot of people get shaken out by that. You can't get shaken out now. I feel we can already see the finish line. Euphoria is about to set in when we see massive green candles on these cryptocurrencies. Built on XDC, owned by you. The Comtech Gold system is built on the XDC network. XDC is the world's first hybrid blockchain. It connects both public, state, and private subnetworks. This protects your data while remaining transparent and auditable. XDC's goal is to help enterprise enhance their business infrastructure, reduce cost, and improve visibility. With interoperable smart contracts, near zero fee transactions, and high security, the XDC network is designed to support a wide range of novel blockchain use cases. And again, enterprise hasn't even come into crypto yet. This is going to get so big, and a lot of people are going to have a lot of regrets. They're overlooking one of the best cryptocurrencies out there today. XDC is going to definitely shock a lot of people. The XDC network is laser focused, blinders on, tunnel vision, brick by brick. It's never the destination, it's always the journey. We will all look back. And I feel over the next 2 years, when XDC really moves in price, a lot of people are going to look back and say, wow, I cannot believe I was buying this cryptocurrency for under 3 cents back in 2022. And a lot of people are going to wish they could go back to 2022. They would have invested a lot differently. There's people still out there chasing meme coins. And investing today is easier than it ever has been over the course of time. You come into crypto now, you invest in all of these utility-driven cryptocurrencies, you sit back and you wait. That's all it comes down to. The fourth industrial revolution's here. If you invest in the right way, you will get financial freedom in the near future. There are 7 cryptos that are recognized as ISO 222 compliant. They are QNT, XRP, XLM, HBAR, IOTA, XDC, Algo. Looks like this may be the standard moving forward. Could they 100x in the future? I feel XDC is guaranteed 100x in the short term. I feel it could do it in the next run up. Think about it like that. So you continue to stack at these low prices while you still can, because at some point these prices will be gone forever. For Web3 infrastructures on the Xinfin network that justifies it as a blockchain internet. Now, Web3 is going to be massive as well. People outside of crypto don't even understand that Web3 is coming. It's literally getting built again from the ground up, and we're witnessing it because we're so early into crypto. So for Xinfin basic infrastructures for Web3, a blockchain internet needs a few basic infrastructures that must work together. A storage means, a means to interact with the real world, oracles. An indestructible or ownable identity, a means of exchange. And XDC fits all 4 of them, because we see here with StoreX, it's a decentralized cloud service built on the XDC network. It allows users to store their files online via many nodes available on the platform. When a user creates an account, email or password, they effectively create a public and private key pair. The key pairs are used as identifiers or authenticators for the files they upload. Then we see a means to interact with the real world, Oracle's plugin. Xinfin's plugin is the answer to the need to connect a real-world asset class. Plugin is a blockchain Oracle service that operates on the Xinfin blockchain. It allows dApp developers to import price feeds of various assets that are outside of the blockchain. An indestructible or ownable identity. Another important aspect of a blockchain internet is an ownable identity. They must be the same through the Web3 apps and can only be controlled by the owner. Go Domains, XDC Web3 Domains, and Xinfin Name Service are three strong naming services that help convert long wallet addresses into simple, customizable names chosen by the user. Web3 identity cannot be stolen. They remain the asset of the owner. Web3 means of exchange, Xinfin's XSwap. All assets and tokens on Web3 should be traceable since it's been established that ownership is a strong foundation for the internet phase. For Xinfin, XSwap is like Uniswap to Ethereum. It is the first automated market-making platform that allows the exchange of XRC20 tokens. Maybe later people will be able to trade more than that. XSwap just shipped its mobile wallet app for use a few days ago. So XDC is going to be massive as far as Web3 as well, adding value year over year. All you have to do now is just be patient and wait. Continue holding your XDC. I'm telling you, this is one cryptocurrency that's definitely gonna 100x in the near future. And again, you just got to stay strong while the market is down, because the next step in this market is going to be euphoria. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.